In this video, we will see how to create a custom field within Lockbox. On record pages, such as this sample record, you can see a variety of fields, which contain information and data, such as the sample's name, its unique ID, and the date it was collected. These fields were configured for this demonstration, but they are completely customizable, meaning Lockbox can configure any and all of these fields to fit your lab's processes. For example, if quality control checks are essential in your lab, you may want a field that confirms whether a sample has passed a quality control assessment. I can create this custom field and add it to this record page. I will start by clicking Setup, then Edit Object. This takes us to the Object Manager, where we will edit the object sample. I will go to Fields and Relationships and click New to make a new field. First, I will have to choose the data type for this field. I want a simple checkbox to let the user know if the quality control check was passed. Now I have to give this field a label. Notice that the name field autofills from the label field. This is because the label is the value the user will see, and the name is the internal API name for the field. I can also add a description to explain the field. And I'll add a help information section to help the user understand how to use the field when they're in the lab. Now I can click Next, then choose what Lockbox users are allowed to see the field. I will allow all, so I just click Next. I then choose what type of record pages can use this field and click Save. My new field can now be found in the list of fields. I will return to my sample record so I can add the new field to the page layout. This can be done by clicking Setup, then Edit Page. I will drag and drop the field into the page and then click Save and return to the sample record. And now we can see the new checkbox field and the help message I included. I can mark this checkbox as checked if the sample passed its quality control tests. This demonstration showed how to make a custom field that was a checkbox. But in Lockbox LIMS, you can make custom fields with pick lists, numbers, text, formulas, and more.